Lesson 4 Fingerplays. 5 fingers in my pocket. 5 fingers in my pocket. 5 fingers you can't see. 5 fingers in my pocket. Whoops! 1 got away from me. 4 fingers in my pocket. 4 fingers you can't see. 4 fingers in my pocket. Whoops! 1 got away from me. 3 fingers in my pocket. 3 fingers you can't see. 3 fingers in my pocket. Whoops! 1 got away from me. 2 fingers in my pocket. 2 fingers you can't see. 2 fingers in my pocket. Whoops! 1 got away from me. 1 finger in my pocket. 1 finger you can't see. 1 finger in my pocket. Whoops! It got away from me. No fingers in my pocket. No fingers you can't see. No fingers in my pocket. They all came back to me. Here is a cave. Inside is a bear. Here is a cave. Inside is a bear. Now he comes out to get some fresh air. He stays all summer in sunshine and heat. He hunts in the forest for berries to eat. When the snow starts to fall, he hurries inside to his warm, cozy cave, and there he will hide. Snow covers his cave like a fluffy white rug. Inside, the bear sleeps, all cozy and snug. These are Grandmother's glasses. This is Grandmother's hat. Grandmother claps her hands like this and folds them in her lap. These are Grandfather's glasses. This is Grandfather's hat. This is the way he folds his arms and has a little nap. There's a wide-eyed owl with a pointed nose. He has pointed ears and claws for toes. He sits in a tree and looks at you, then spreads his wings and says, "Tu-whit, tu-whoo."